So guys, there is an amendment in the Sebi Lodr regulations, right? The listing obligations and disclosure requirement regulations under Sebi. Now, whether you are a CA student or a CS student, LODR is LODR applicable for both of you, right? So this amendment is going to be applicable for all the CA final students and all the CS executive students who are giving the securities law paper in the module 2 also. All right. What is the change? What is the amendment? Let's have a look over here. Risk Management Committee is what they are talking about. So in the Risk Management Committee, you can see on the screen, my dear friends, there are some matters which are highlighted. There are some matters which are like bold and italic. The bold and italic portion is the amendment. All right. Now, what is this Risk Management Committee? The board shall constitute a risk management committee. That is what we are aware. Of course, if you are a company, if you're a listed company, SEBI regulations are applicable to you, you must constitute a risk management committee. Okay. The risk management committee shall have minimum three members is what they are saying. And out of the three members, as per the amendment, they are saying the majority of them should be from the board of directors only. So you can have more members also, 4, 5, 6, 10, 15, 20, as many as you want. Minimum 3 should be there. And majority of the members in the risk management committee should be the members of the board of directors. Plus, wait, including at least one independent director also required at all times. So what is the requirement for a or what is the composition of a risk management committee? So risk management committee, as in there should be at least one independent director in the risk management committee. Then, sir, majority should be members of the board of directors, and minimum 3 members should always be there in the risk management committee. You know what does the risk management committee do? They analyze the risk. They take steps for the PDC of the risk. PDC, prevention, detection, correction of the risks. That is their job. Yes, they are there in the company to evaluate the possible risks that might occur in future. They are there to evaluate the risks that have already occurred in the company and take steps to correct them, to rectify them. That is the job of a risk management committee. Understood? Anyway, now next what they are saying is an important point. In case of a listed company having outstanding SR equity shares, my dear friends, this is something new for you. A listed company having outstanding SR equity shares. Sir, what is this SR equity? SR equity shares means what? SR equity shares. Special resolution. Ayo, no. See, here I have given the meaning for you. That is the equity shares holding superior voting rights. SR equity shares means what? Equity shares holding superior voting rights. Now what they are saying? Equity shares of an issuer, having superior voting rights compared to all the other equity shares which are issued by the issuer, that is by the company. So here I am doing is that I am issuing equity shares of a particular class to a particular group of people where the voting rights given are substantially high. Something you can say like shares with differential voting rights, DVR is what we call, similar to that, right? So these are shares with superior voting rights. Okay. Now see, if you are a listed entity and you are having any outstanding SR, that is superior voting right equity shares, then for you, sir, they are saying at least 2/3 of the risk management committee shall comprise of independent directors. Normally, how many? Normally, one independent director. But if at all there are SR equity shares issued in your company, then minimum 2/3 should be independent directors. Understood? Because here what happens now? You have issued special voting right equity shares, meaning these are the people who might have a preference in the voting right, who might have extra voting rights on the number of shares which they are holding, right? So the decisions may be biased also, because if these people are from the internal management or connected to the internal management, definitely the decisions can be biased, and that is why they say minimum 2/3 should be independent directors in such cases. Then there is a normal point. Risk management committee, they are saying chairperson shall be a member of the board of directors, and senior executives of the risk management committee may also become the members of the committee. Okay, so there is not a something new point over here. They are saying chairperson of the company can become a member of the committee. There is no issue. And senior executives of the company they can also become the members of the committee. There is no issue. Fine, no issue then. Forget it. Let's talk about the next part. Next, they are saying, sir, risk management committee shall meet at least twice a year. Remember section 174, quorum. No, yes, quorum, one third or two, whichever is higher. Remember, and 173, meetings. Meetings for small company, one person company, dormant company, how much? That is for the company. So here, sir, this company will meet at least. No, 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 no. How are you even thinking about company? Yes, company provision is same as 173. Quorum provision is same as per 174. That is for the board meeting. Company's board meeting will have particular number of meetings in a year, particular number of directors present in that board meeting. That is a totally different concept. This is, we are talking about the committee meeting. Risk management committee, they should meet at least 2 times, minimum 2 times in a year, and the gap between two board meetings will be maximum 180 days. So this is normal provision. Quorum, what they are saying, quorum of a risk management committee, 2 members or one third of the members, whichever is higher. So 2 or one third, whichever is higher, same, including at least one member of the board of directors in attendance. So at least one member from the BOD should be present. Point to be understood, my dear friends, over here. Do not mix this with the board of directors provision. That is board meeting for board of directors. That is separate. This is risk management committee holding their own meeting. This is separate. Board of directors shall define a role and responsibility of the risk management committee. Board of directors shall define the role and responsibility of the risk management committee and may delegate monitoring, reviewing of the risk management plan to the committee and such other functions as it may deem fit and amendment. Such function shall specifically cover cyber security also. See, especially after the COVID, the 2 years of COVID has made everybody and everything go digital. So, of course, everything has gone digital, but at the same time, cyber crimes have also increased. And that is why the provision of cyber security comes into place over here. Understood? So what the provision says, the board of directors will make sure what is the risk management committee doing, what is the plan made by the risk management committee, monitoring the implementation of the plan of the committee, and also not to forget the risk, cyber security risks to be covered by the risk management committee also. This provision, risk management committee, entire points with amendments, they are saying shall be applicable to the top 1000 listed entities. Sir, top 1000 listed entities based on market capitalization. Those who do not know, I will tell you. Number of shares which are there in the market multiplied by market price per share. This will give you the market capitalization of the company, right? So in this market capitalization, we have to check the top 1000 listed entities. The top 1000 listed entities will be compulsorily required to comply with these regulations of the RMC. Other companies may not comply with these provisions. Are we clear? Everybody? All right. Okay then. Thank you very much. And I hope this video was useful for you. I'll be making many such short clips and short videos for you. And if you need anything in specific, use the comment box and let me know. Thank you very much. God bless you all.